In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on a Microsoft SharePoint site. Whether you're collaborating on a project or sharing insights on shared documents, mastering this skill will enhance your team's communication and productivity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you're comfortable with. Once there, simply enter Microsoft SharePoint into your search bar and hit Enter. This should take you to the official Microsoft SharePoint page. Easy, right? Now let's move on to accessing your account. Once you're on the SharePoint homepage, look towards the top right-hand corner and you'll see a Sign In button. Give it a click. This will direct you to the Microsoft Sign In page. Now, if you already have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might find yourself logged in automatically. If you aren't, don't worry. This next part is straightforward. Just type in your email address followed by your password. Double-check your spelling to make sure everything is correct before clicking that login button. Now that you're signed in, you'll navigate to the Documents section of your SharePoint site. Your documents might include Word, Excel, or PowerPoint files, all conveniently stored in your SharePoint library. Simply select and open the document you wish to comment on. This is where the fun part begins. When inside the document, direct your attention to the top of the interface. Here, you'll find a toolbar with various options. Click on the Review tab. Once in the Review section, look for the option labeled New Comment. Clicking this button will enable you to add a new comment to the document. For those who prefer shortcuts, there's an alternative method as well. Simply right-click on the text or area where you'd like to add your comment. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting an option that says New Comment. Selecting this will allow you to comment directly where you've selected. After you've chosen either method to start your comment, it's time to type it out. Go ahead and enter your thoughts, suggestions, or any important notes you need to leave for your colleagues. If you want to bring something directly to someone's attention, consider mentioning them within your comment. This ensures they receive a notification and can respond promptly. Finally, click the Post button to share your comment with the team. There you have it. It's that simple to add comments in Microsoft SharePoint. By following these steps, you can engage with your team more effectively, keeping everyone informed and aligned. So next time you're working on a project, remember these tips and see how seamless your SharePoint collaboration can be. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy collaborating.